Let's go into Dollar General and get an all-digital Gain laundry deal for Saturday, September 17th. We're going to start off with the Gain fireworks. They're $15.95, and there's an $8 off digital coupon. Then we're going to grab a smaller package of Gain fireworks, the 10-ounce for $7.50, and there's a $3.50 digital coupon. Then we're going to grab some Gain liquid laundry soap for $7.50. We have a $1 off digital coupon. So all three products equal out to $30.95. We're going to use our Saturday 5 off 25 plus the 5 off 30 Gain digital coupon. I also made sure to not have any other Gain coupons clipped. And here's my receipt for everything. My dollar coupon didn't come off for the Gain laundry soap. That's okay. I really don't mind that. I was more concerned about the bigger coupons, and they come off totally fine. 2 store discounts under each one means that the 5 off 25 and the 5 off of 30 both applied. I saved over $20 on these 3 items, and I'm super happy with that. So let me know if you score.